Barangay size.
Barangay 7. Barangay 9.
Barangay 10.
Barangay 11.
Barangay Busti.
Barangay Kabanahan.
Barangay Kaburakanan.
So if in case that you win the title for tonight, how are you going to use that title to promote tourism here in Malaybalay? Again, if you will win tonight, and how are you going to use this title to promote tourism in Malaybalay?
Thank you. Okay. Kung ako po ay mananalo ngayong gabi o sa susunod pang gabi, gagamitin ko po ang aking advokasya advokasya tungkol sa HIV para sa tourism sa balay-balay, dahil alam naman po natin na ngayon ang HIV ay laganap na sa ating komunidad na hindi natin alam kung ano ito, at sinasabi natin na kapag ikaw ay nag-HIV, AIDS ka na agad, which is mali po yun. Kaya ko po ito ipinopromote sa ating tourism kasi binaliwala natin ito. Hindi natin ito binibigyan ng halaga. Kaya po, gagamitin ko ang boses ko upang ma-promote ito kasi mahalaga po ito sa ating community. Thank you.
Yes, daghang salamat,
Daghang
Miss Barangay
salamat,
5.
Barangay 5. By the way, sa katong
That would be all. Thank you.
Yes, daghang salamat, Miss Barangay 9.
Okay, we have Barangay Jess. Pakibulot sa imong candidate.
I hope na nihapon na tagandaan, no? Para dili ta mga pasumuhan.
What do you think is the most important quality a member of LGBTQ should possess and why? Again, what do you think is the most important quality a member of LGBTQ should possess and why?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I strongly believe that the most important quality of a member of the LGBTQIA+ community is respect. Because we all know that respect should start within ourselves. Because if you respect yourself, you would be able to respect others, and others will respect you as well. And I strongly believe in a saying that do not do unto others if you don't want others do unto you. And that is the important lesson that I've learned, that I should respect myself. So other people will also respect me. Because, you know what, ladies and gentlemen, I always believe that if you respect yourself, others will respect you as well. And ladies and gentlemen, that do not do unto others if you don't want others do unto you.
Kalasungay, my question is, what is your stand about same-sex marriage? Okay, what is your stand about same-sex marriage?
As a member of the LGBTQIA+ community, living in a world wherein we don't know what are our boundaries, I have two things to share with you regarding same-sex marriage. First and foremost, I am purely mediocre with that issue, or with that certain cause to same-sex marriage. Why? Because for we all know, same-sex marriage is against the word of God written in the Bible. The second thing is that I would like to encourage people not to use same-sex marriage, because at the end of the day, it's not about the label that we should have to be married. We must have to support same-sex union. It's because it is not about the love, or it's not about the label. It is all about your love within your partner and the love with each other. And of course, the acceptance and the respect that you gave from the community, because you don't cross boundaries. Thank you and good evening.
What are your thoughts of the importance of promoting inclusivity in Malaybalay City? Again, what are your thoughts on promoting the importance of inclusivity here in Malaybalay City?
Thank you for that wonderful question and interesting question. Ladies and gentlemen, maliit na bang may kapansanan, ako po ay nakanma at nakaranas ng pamumuli. But I promote intimacy to my experience. Dapat marami po na pagdaanan, ngunit kailangan po nating lumaban. Ibang uri ng problema ang aking napagdaanan. We need to fight them. We need to fight a lot of problems. Dahil kung walang problema, ang wala tayo nito. Kung walang problema, hindi tayo makakarating sa ating panonoonan. At naniniwala po ako na kailangan po nating labanan ang kahit anong problema na dapat nating labanan. because I believe in my motto in life. Transform your weakness into your strength.
Please ask your question.
Hello, good evening, Barangay. I will repeat the question. What have you learned in pageantry?
Okay, thank you for that wonderful question. So, ladies and gentlemen, as I join any kind of pageant, this is my first time to join a prestigious pageant. But what I've learned today about the pageant is that I am strong and to be confident with myself. Why? We need to be strong to face a lot of problems that we had and to be
Ang Miss Barangay Mapayag, si Miss Barangay Zamboanguita del Sur. Charot. Zamboanguita del Sur.
The lady in red.
Yes.
With all the flower.
Ang imong pangutana palihog.
Good evening. My question for you is, how do you define Sakatam Malay-Balay? Again, how do you define Sakatam Malay-Balay?
Thank you for your question. As grown up in the city of Malaybalay, we all know that Malaybalay city is full of great tourist destination, and with that, this tourist destination become one who gives Malaybalay city, uplifts its economy. And with this, I will always be proud being a Malaybalaynon, together with promoting our natural environment, the beauty of Malaybalay city. That's all. Thank you.
And si Miss Barangay Managok. She was a fairy. Ang imong pangutana palihog.
You are the fairy?
Yes.
And I am the devil. Chares.
Good evening, Miss Sinanglana.
Maayong gabi, Managok. Tarong-tarunga.
So my question goes like this.
Okay.
Aside from discrimination, what is the one issue that the Malaybalay LGBT is facing right now? Again, aside from discrimination, what is the one issue that the Malaybalay LGBT is facing right now?
Okay, aside from discrimination, thank you very much for that wonderful question. No, I'm going to answer your Bisaya. At least I can explain well my answer. Actually, sa kadugay nako diri sa Malaybalay City, no, di lang diskriminasyon ang nadawat nako, kundi ang pagbuli nila sa akong pagkatao. Kay nga no, nakita nila nga itom ko, tambo ko, pangit ilang pananaw sa kuha. Pero tanawa ko karon, nagbarog sa inyong atubangan, gipakita nako og unsa ko. Tao nga nirespeto, pagmamahal, higugma sa katawan o paghigugma sa LGBT. And above all, atong tanawon o atong paminawon, atong pasultihon o atong buhaton that the LGBTQIA+ diri sa Malaybalay, very naay unity, naay paghigugma, o naay pagrespeto, mababae, malalaki, matumboy, o unsa man ka diri sa kalibutan. Magpasalamat ta kay nabuhi pa ta. And above all, atong tan-aon nga ang Ginoo nakapasaylo kanato. Bisag gibuli ko for how many times, ila kong giluk daw for how many times, nagbarog ko sa motubangan, ug nagpapasalamat ko kay nakita ninyo kung unsa ko ka-talented. Thank you.
Good evening, Miss St. Peter.
Good evening.
So my question for you is, I know that you already know the very controversial issue that happened in Bangkok, Thailand. So my question is, what is your opinion if you were in that position that happened in Thailand as a trans Pinay? What will you do and why? Again, I know that you already know the very controversial issue that happened in Bangkok, Thailand, which is a lady boy versus trans Pinay. If you were in that situation of the trans Pinay, what will you do and why?
If I were to be in that situation, I will ask for forgiveness, because if I will dare, I will ask for forgiveness, because if I disrespect them or I do anything or something that can
cause harm or cruelty towards both LGBT members, I will ask for forgiveness, because forgiveness can lead to a peaceful community. I am not there. I am not sure what really happens or what really is the story. But if I were there, I will ask for forgiveness, because knowing that they are not from Thailand, we should have to adjust to the people there, because they are the people of Thailand, not from...
City Mayor Honorable J. Warren R. Pabillaran, City Vice Mayor Honorable Estelito Marabe, members of the City Council Honorable Kathleen Cecil Pagaling, Honorable Brian Nelson T. Flores, Honorable Nico P. Aldeguer, Honorable Melchor P. Maramara, Honorable Zoltan Dindo D. Dinlayan, Honorable Cromwell Kiril D. Dinlayan, Honorable General Roylan Urquia, Honorable Erwin Damasco, Honorable Christopher Soria, and Honorable Alan Layan Legaspi, our City IPMR, Honorable Renato Sumbungan, our President of the Liga, Honorable Julius N. Manghano, and SK Federation President, Honorable Christopher Lambert Tortola. And of course, to our City Tourism Office, headed by Miss Honolulu Marie Cruzine. Thank you so much.
We would like to acknowledge as well our sponsors for today's event.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Another warm round of applause for our 46 lovely candidates. Napay mas kusog, anak? Yes! Thank you so much. Audience, nga hangtod karon na ang paghihapon dili nga pakpak. Thank you so much. And of course, din ito kalimtan ang finals night, ang coronation night, which is on March. Picture.
Alright, ladies, make a kaway-kaway naman siya.
Say hi to our Facebook viewers.
Shout out sa mga Facebook viewers. Maayong gabi.